Hey Jane, I just heard from one of our favorite customers and she's looking for something that's tasteful.
Okay.
What are you thinking? I'm thinking spicy. All right.
Yep.
Well, let's get started.
Okay.
How about we look in our recipe book just to see if we can find something that might be a little unusual.
Sounds good.
What do you think of this one?
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Great. Let's get started.
Okay.
Remember now we're doing, thrillers, fillers, and spillers. So let's start with our fillers.
All right.
All right. I'll start getting this ready. You want to put some in?
You bet.
All right.
Let's get there. All right. A little bit color there. Really make it look. All right.
Perfect.
Yep.
Next would be our, well, what's next? You got to,
Oh,
we need to start mixing. Forgot to stir.
Yeah, better start stirring this up a little bit. Okay.
And now we need the thriller.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
this is one of the best thrillers. I suggest we use this one.
Wow. Okay. That looks like it was.
Okay, stir that in.
All right.
Now, I think we need some spice. I think we need a little salt, pepper.
Okay.
How we doing?
Good.
All right.
This is going to be a nice batch of.
So, Jane, what is it that we're missing? Hey, let's have some coffee.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yep. Yeah.
What the heck?
And now where were we again?
We're missing something.
We are. Well, let's take a look. And now. Oh my God!
Oh.
That was it, Jane.
The spiller.
The spillers.
Whoa.
Okay, we're in.
Oh my gosh.
Good. That worked. Well, I think we should stir it up again since we just added our extra spice in there.
It's a simmering nice right now.
All right.
Okay.
One more taste and check it out. You taste. What do you think?
I think.
You work at the restaurant. What do we need?
Oh, we need that secret ingredient that Billy puts in with his sauces and everything.
All right. You got some?
Yep. Ticket right here.
Oh my goodness, Jane. Jane. Anybody looking? I don't see anybody.
What do you think? I'm thinking.
Okay, let me look again. Just put a little in. Just a real... Jane! Well, stir that up. Taste again. What do you think?
Oh heck! Let's go for it.
Sounds good.
All right.
All right. Looking good.
Feeling good.
All right, Jane, I think we better stir it now that we got that in there.
Okay.
See where we're at. Give it a taste. We need to give it a little taste. I don't know. What do you think?
It needs a little more
Spice.
spice. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
How about some rosemary?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, we got rosemary. I think we need a little of extra this.
Oh yeah.
Garlic.
Garlic.
We're in. Can't get it open.
Okay. All right.
Smelling better.
Mm-hmm.
All right, a little more.
A little more sugar. Sweeten it up.
Oh yeah, gotta sweeten it. We're so sweet.
All right.
All right,
One good basket. Mm-mm-mm.
very tasteful like the customer wanted. Okay,
All right. Let's go.
Jane, you better start simmering it.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe a slight boil, but that's about it. Then I think we're probably good.
Okay. Looking good. Oh yeah, look at this. Woo!
Jane, I think you got a little bit too high in the boil, and Jane, turn it down.
It happens all the time.
Jane.
Hey, it is. Good.
Looks like we got the thriller, filler, and spiller all in there, Jane. And you know, we really put our hearts into this one, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Good job, honey. Looks good, Jane.
Oh, awesome.
Turned out great.
Yep.
Got a name for this one?
Well, what should we name this one? Well, it's our pride and joy.
It's tasteful.
Yes, it is. And spicy.
Exactly. She's gonna love it.
Yep.